Hey guys, 828 Find Adventure here. I've got a new wheel cleaner. It's called SuperClean, and you just spray it on your wheels and let it sit for a few minutes, and then you hose it off. And I'm going to show you how this stuff works and how well it performs. So let's check it out. Okay, so I've sped up these clips a little bit, but basically what you do is you spray it on the wheels. You try to get in all the nooks and crannies. You let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes, and then all you have to do is hose it off. I like to, after I've hosed it off, go over it with one of those microfiber cloths, and that really helps bring out the shine. But really, this cleaner works great. If you have some really hard to get off brake dust, you might have to agitate it a little bit. I did not. These wheels and tires tend to get kind of brown from a lot of brake dust, and this stuff worked great. So I'm gonna keep using it. It's a good product, and I like it. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of the wheels and listen to some music and see you at the end. So like I said, after you've hosed off the wheel, I go ahead and get a microfiber cloth and just go over it to get all the little water spots off. And one thing I noticed is the tires on my vehicle were still brown. I guess it's all from the brake dust or something. They've always been that way. So I was searching for another product to maybe I could spray on these to bring out that black rubber look to them. And I found something. It was really good. I will put a link to both of these products, the SuperClean wheel cleaner and this product that makes the tires really black, under the video in the description. Well, I hope you enjoyed this short video on this SuperClean wheel cleaner. It works great. If you would, please subscribe and hit the like button. I'd really appreciate it. And please check out my other videos. See ya.